Leo Messi go.
Messi, 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 Messi.
What was meant to be a dream moment for football fans in Kolkata descended into chaos. Thousands of fans gathered at the Salt Lake Stadium hoping for a glimpse of the GOAT.
Messi, 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 Messi.
The football star appeared surrounded by security and Bengal Sports Minister Anup Biswas
Before we talked about derbies, but this is something different.
and left in just 20 minutes.
They will be feeling the electricity here at the Salt Lake Stadium.
The blink and miss appearance infuriated the fans. They started throwing water bottles and stormed the field.
As you can see that the spectators have burst out, the entire barricades and they have entered the stadium. Soon after Messi was taken out, we can see the spectators over here. दादा कहाँ से आए थे?
हम लोग आया न्यू टाउन कल रायगढ़
क्या हालत है? मेसी को देख पाए थे?
नहीं
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कौन जिम्मेदार है?
हम लोग 4,000 5,000 का ड्रीम मोल के यही देखने आए हम लोग बोलिए यही देखने आया आज कलकत्ता का हालत देखिए क्या हो रहा है.
We can see that the absolute chaos and law and order situation deteriorated inside the stadium. We can see that RAF has been brought in, RAF has been called in, Commissioner of Police has arrived over here. We can see
Mob fury spiraled out of control.
chaos at Yuva Bharati Stadium due to the mismanagement. The Lionel Messi had to, taken out of the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Now I can show you that the total vandalism it went on. Now that the spectators have gathered over here, they are barging the barricades and they are entering the stadium. They even throw, several bottles. The situation went out of hand.
Angry fans went on a rampage, vandalizing chairs, equipment, and whatever else they could see.
Fans have been left disgruntled, unhappy. They couldn't see their football icon when he came out on the field. And now what you see is angry fans expressing how unhappy they were with the organizers. The tents have been overturned. They are throwing, they've moved the goalposts. They have broken and vandalized the stadium property. But this has all stemmed out of anger for the organizers.
Police were forced to intervene as tempers flared and safety concerns grew.
एकदम घटिया इवेंट 10 मिनट के लिए आया. सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए. कुछ नहीं देख पाए. ना एक किक आउट करवाया ना एक पेनल्टी लिया. कुछ नहीं किया.
बहुत घटिया था. वो दिखाया था बुके में पहले से शूटा वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं था. पूरा शिट था. बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब.
The stadium was eventually sealed.
जो नॉर्मलसी की बात थी सब हो गया. सेकंड पार्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन है. एफआईआर इज बीन लॉन्च और जो चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर है ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड. ठीक है. इन द मीन टाइम नो ही इज बीन अरेस्टेड. एंड द थर्ड पार्ट एज आई एम टेलिंग कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है इंक्वायरी कमेटी की जाएगी.
For a city that lives and breathes football, the excitement for Messi turned into a lesson in what happens when hype outplaces plan. With Ritik Mondal and Shreyashi Day in Kolkata, Bureau Report, NDTV.
Meanwhile, my colleague Uma Sudhir also spoke with the kids who played with Messi. Listen into the conversation.
How old are you?
8.
And do you want to be a football player?
Yes, I always be.
I saw that you were dribbling a lot with the ball. You played with the Chief Minister as well as with Lionel Messi.
Yeah. So good.
Tell me your name. What was your experience?
My name is Mohammad Abdur Rahman. I was so glad that we have get this opportunity to play in front of Messi. And thank you for Revan Reddy sir to give us this opportunity. Thank you.
Your name and what is the fun like?
My name is Neelam and I had a lot of fun. This was like a dream for me. It is a dream come true. I